Why are there not more people talking about Latvia? Let's dive into one of Europe's best-kept secrets. Nestled between Estonia, Lithuania, and the Baltic Sea, Latvia is a treasure trove of natural beauty and rich history. Imagine strolling through the medieval streets of Riga, a city where the past and present blend seamlessly. Or how about exploring the serene beaches of Jūrmala, where the Baltic whispers stories of old? Latvia is more than just picturesque landscapes, it's a symphony of experiences. From the hauntingly beautiful Gauja National Park, perfect for hikers and adventurers, to the charming town of Cēsis with its ancient castle ruins. And let's not forget the culinary delights. Savor traditional Latvian dishes like grey peas with bacon and rye bread pudding that will tantalize your taste buds. So why not discover this hidden gem for yourself? Head over to countrydiscover.com for more travel tips and inspiration. And remember, every journey starts with a single step. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's make Latvia your next unforgettable adventure. Ready to uncover a hidden gem in Europe? Welcome to Latvia!